Is 2025 the right time to invest in Airbnb? With changing travel trends, evolving regulations, and increasing competition, is short-term rental investing still a goldmine, or is it becoming a risky bet? In today's video, we'll break down the pros and cons of investing in Airbnb in 2025 so you can make an informed decision. Stay with me until the end. What you learn today could shape your financial future. Let's start with the benefits. Why do so many investors still love short-term rentals? First, higher income potential. Compared to traditional long-term rentals, Airbnb properties can generate up to 3 times more income per month. With the right location and good management, an Airbnb can bring in $10,000 or more per month, something long-term rentals rarely achieve. This is especially true in high-demand areas like beach towns, tourist hotspots, and business districts. But even if you're outside major cities, unique stays, such as cabins, tiny homes, or themed rentals, are becoming incredibly popular, creating new opportunities for hosts. Another advantage is dynamic pricing. Unlike traditional rentals with fixed monthly rates, Airbnb allows you to adjust prices based on demand. During peak seasons, holidays, or local events, you can significantly increase your nightly rate and maximize earnings. Tools like Airbnb's smart pricing or third-party platforms like PriceLabs and Beyond Pricing help optimize revenue, ensuring you don't leave money on the table. Flexibility is another huge pro. Unlike long-term leases, you're not locked into a single tenant for a year or more. If you ever decide to stop hosting, you can easily convert the property into a long-term rental or even sell it without complications. Plus, you can block off dates to use the property yourself, a great perk for investors who love to travel. The demand for short-term rentals is still growing. In 2025, travel trends are shifting towards unique experiences, work-from-anywhere lifestyles, and sustainable tourism. More travelers prefer staying in Airbnbs over hotels for a more personalized experience. If you can create a standout property with great amenities and a solid guest experience, you'll attract consistent bookings. Now, let's talk about the challenges you need to consider before diving in. The biggest risk: STR regulations. Many cities are tightening restrictions on short-term rentals. Some require expensive permits, limit the number of rental days per year, or even ban Airbnbs altogether. Before investing, research local laws and check if your area is Airbnb friendly. If regulations are too strict, you might be forced to switch to a long-term rental model, which could impact profitability. Next, management and maintenance can be a headache. Unlike traditional rentals, short-term rentals require constant attention. Cleaning, guest communication, handling check-ins, and dealing with unexpected issues like maintenance emergencies. If you don't want to manage it yourself, hiring a property management company can help, but it can also eat into your profits. Income inconsistency is another drawback. Unlike long-term rentals with stable monthly income, Airbnb earnings fluctuate. Seasonality, economic downturns, or unexpected global events, like the pandemic, can drastically affect occupancy rates. To mitigate this, it's crucial to diversify your listing platforms. Don't rely solely on Airbnb. List on Vrbo, Booking.com, and even direct booking websites to maintain steady revenue. Another downside is rising competition. The Airbnb market is becoming more saturated, and guests now expect hotel-level service. High-quality photos, 5-star guest experiences, and unique features are crucial to stand out. If your property isn't well maintained or priced competitively, you might struggle to attract bookings. So, Should you invest in Airbnb in 2025? If you're in a strong market, have a solid management plan, and can handle the ups and downs, Airbnb can still be a highly profitable investment. But if you prefer a hands-off approach, or your city has strict regulations, long-term rentals, or other real estate investments might be a safer bet. What do you think? Are you planning to invest in Airbnb this year? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on real estate investing. If you're serious about real estate, check out my other videos on rental property investing, financing strategies, and high cash flow side hustles. I'll see you in the next video.